After the release of Perplexity's deep search feature, everything has changed completely. What used to take $200 every month, you can now get it done for free. Yes, we are going to discuss the best AI workflow that you can follow to make your work much more easier. And not only easier, but more efficient too. In this video, we will be taking content creation as an example to show how you can create workflows for your work. If you are from a different background and not content creation, don't worry. You can follow the same workflow. There will be certain tools that you will be needing to change for making your workflow better. I will be mentioning where you need to change your tools if you are not from content creation background in this video today. So stick till the end. Let's head over to Perplexity AI. You can search Perplexity AI on your Chrome browser. I have opened it already. So here we come. Initially you will be on default, you will be on auto. So if you can see, there is an option called as deep search. After this deep search release from Perplexity, things have changed completely. What you used to pay $200 for ChatGPT is now given by Perplexity for free, and this is just a game changer. This majorly gets done everything for you, from doing research, finding topics, and finding key points, and everything. So you just need to select it. So we will be creating a 10 to 12 minute YouTube video on 5 AI tools for content creation. I will write down the prompt here. I'll mention the tools also here. AI tools. Perplexity for research. OpenAI for script writing. Here we go, hit enter, and it will take around 2 to 3 minutes of time to do its research. It will go through all over the internet, YouTube, and many of the resources that it can find. So yeah, I need to research the web to gather detailed information on each of the AI tools we have given. So yeah, here is the output from Perplexity now. Here is the detailed breakdown of AI tools. If I mention for content creation, Perplexity, ChatGPT, Hey, Gen, L1 Labs, Fluxlora, Canva. I'll explain vidIQ at the end. All we need to do is just copy this thing, head over to ChatGPT, and I have already trained my ChatGPT. I'll just tell you what you need to do. So basically, in order to get the best output from ChatGPT, you need to train your previous written scripts. It's been more than a year now, so I have written over 80 plus scripts manually. So I fed it into ChatGPT and trained my kind of writing and my style of writing of the scripts. And yeah, I trained it, and now it can write these scripts in the way that I want. It means it will write scripts on behalf of me, which doesn't feel like ChatGPT but like Vishal written script. I'll just show you what prompt I used to generate the script here. I copied that thing from the Perplexity, and I just pasted it here, and I wrote this prompt. I want to analyze the following data attached with the prompt. I am creating a YouTube video for around 12 minutes on the topic best AI tools for content creation. Make sure to write the script in the format that I speak and write. Based on our conversation till now, you can use it to analyze how I work. That's it. Hit enter. It will give you the script. So you will be needing to do a little bit of improvements in the prompts that you are giving it to ChatGPT to get the best output as much as possible. So after some 2 to 3 prompts, I got the script. I'll show you. Wait. Yeah, you can see it here. The script is ready, and this does not feel like ChatGPT written one, and it just feels like how I write. And if you ask me, this is the way I write scripts. So yeah, I can give this guarantee to you that this is not a ChatGPT. This does not feel like a ChatGPT output script. अब AI अब सिर्फ एक बज़वर्ड नहीं है, AI एक गेम चेंजर बन चुका है कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स। आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ कुछ ऐसे पावरफुल AI टूल्स जो आप कंटेंट क्रिएशन प्रोसेस को 10x फास्टर कर सकते हैं। ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला। AI टूल्स फॉर कंटेंट क्रिएशन, परप्लेक्सिटी फॉर ट्रेंड रिसर्च। कंटेंट क्रिएशन का सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज होता है टॉपिक ढूंढना। यू कैन सी इट, जस्ट नोटिस फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट दैट इट हैज बीन यूजिंग that it does not feel like anywhere from any perspective that it does not feel like a ChatGPT output script. I will be attaching this script in the description so that you can go through the script and find out yourself that it does not feel like it. So we are done with the research, we are done with the script now. The next thing we need to do is shooting of the video. I will be skipping the shooting part as we will be needing more time to train our Hagen model and L1 Labs model to get the output from it. So I will be skipping it out. So let me know if you want me to create a video on that in the comment section, so that based on the comments that I will be getting, I will be creating the videos related to training Hagen and L1 Labs. L1 Labs is for training your voice and Hagen is for training your video avatar that you can use for shooting your videos. So we are done with the research, we are done with the script, we are done with the shooting. Now the next thing that is main important part of the next thing that is the important part of content creation is thumbnail. For thumbnail we will be going with two tools. One is Flux LoRa and second one is Canva. We will be using Flux LoRa to generate the host image by training our previous images over Flux LoRa, so that we can generate any of our images. You can also generate profile images for LinkedIn also using Flux LoRa. All you need is 25 images of your previously clicked photos and from different angles, so that we can train it to a level that where it gives us the precise output. Currently I will be skipping this part also, it will take much more time. I will create a video based on the comments I will be getting. This is not a free tool, you will be needing to pay 250 to 300 rupees initially for training your Flux. Basically it uses the GPUs of Nvidia, so it will charge you. After done getting with the training, all you need to do is write down the prompt on the image you want, and it will be giving you the output. For the image generation after the training, it will be charging in rupees, around 1 to 2 rupees or 3 rupees. This is the image that I generated from Flux LoRa. You can see that this clearly looks like me. There are very little instances or no instances basically which does not feel like me or look like me. To remove the background of this image, we will be heading over to Pixel AI, where we can remove the background of the image completely for free. Once we are done removing the image, you can download it here, and after that we'll head over to Canva. This is our last tool to get done with our thumbnail. That is the most important part. You can check out my previous video. It has got around 850 plus views. That is the highest as of now. You can notice that I have created it freely using Canva. I'll head over to layers so that you can see what all I have used. I have used a background here. This is the texture background. So on that I have used this gradient, black gradient, to gradient part, orange gradient, images over it, and this is the Perplexity AI's logo. This is Perplexity AI logo. I will show you a bit. I have added a frame in here. I'll delete it. So you can see you can get this frame in the elements part. Head over to elements, frame. You will be getting to see lots of frames here. Just add them, find the logo and paste it on, upload the logo and paste it on this. You can get this done. That's it. For the text part, go to select any font that you like and get your thing done based on the template you will be creating. And one more thing, it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to create the thumbnail based on how complicated you want the thumbnail to be and your speed of creating the thumbnail. So we are done with everything now. You can see how smooth the workflow is. If you are from a coding background, design background or any other background, all you will be needing is Perplexity and ChatGPT from this. Other than those, you will be having to go with the tools that are famous or that are relevant for your field. For example, if you are a developer, you will be needing to go with Lovable, Bolt, Cursor, V0 and stuff like this. That's it. So this was the tutorial. That's it. If you like today's video, give it a like and share this video with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to know about more AI tools and its efficiency.